Hello YouTube, how's everybody? Got another delivery today from Amazon. This is another knife from Timber Rattler. You know I like big knives. Yeah, this Timber Rattler 8-inch blade. That's a big knife for $21 from Amazon. Let's take a look. So that's what it looks like. Heavy. Whoa, it's big folding knife. Here it is. That's a huge folding knife. A little rough around the edges, but hey, $21. A thick blade. You press this to close it. Here it is. I have my pen here in comparison. It locks in pretty securely. There's no wiggle, no rattling. Pretty good. It's just an interesting knife to have. I don't know if you can do. I guess you can use this in the field. If you don't want to carry a sheath with you, you can put this in your pocket. Half of it will stick out though. It's pretty sharp. Here it is. Here it is, half closed. Nice. A conversation piece. Thank you for watching.